Welcome to our channel Ecom Global. If you're running a SaaS business, you know one of the hardest challenges is not just building a great product, but actually getting people to sign up and try it. And today, I want to show you how Instagram ads can help you get SaaS signups fast, without wasting months testing random campaigns that don't work. Now let's start with the problem. Most SaaS founders jump into Instagram ads thinking it's as simple as boosting a post or running a pretty graphic. But what happens? You get likes, comments, maybe even some traffic, but very few real signups. The money gets spent, and you start wondering if Instagram ads even work for SaaS. The truth is, they do, but only if you set them up the right way. So here's what works. Step 1. Understand who you're targeting. Instagram is not Google. People aren't actively searching for your SaaS solution. You need to target the right audience segments using Meta's interest and behavior filters. For example, if you're offering project management software, don't just target business owners. Go deeper into interests like remote work, team collaboration tools, or even competitors your audience may follow. The sharper you're targeting, the better your results. Step 2. Focus on the creative. SaaS products are not impulse buys like t-shirts. You need to show value fast. The best ads are short videos or carousels that highlight the exact problem your SaaS solves. Instead of saying all-in-one solution for teams, show how a team wastes hours every week. Then show how your tool fixes it. Pain point first, solution second. Step 3. Optimize the landing page. This is where most SaaS ads fail. If you send Instagram traffic to a cluttered homepage, people will bounce. Instead, drive them to a simple landing page with one clear call to action, like start free trial or get started today. Keep it frictionless. Minimal text, social proof, and a quick sign-up form. Step 4. Retargeting. Not everyone will sign up the first time they see your ad, and that's normal. Retargeting on Instagram is where the magic happens. Set up custom audiences of people who visited your site, watched your video, or clicked your ad. Then show them testimonials, case studies, or limited-time offers to push them over the edge. Retargeting often cuts your cost per sign-up in half. Now, if you combine these steps, precise targeting, problem-focused creatives, clean landing pages, and strong retargeting, you'll start seeing consistent SaaS signups from Instagram ads. But here's the challenge. Every SaaS product is different. What works for a B2B productivity tool won't work for a B2C AI writing assistant. Your targeting, creatives, budget split, and even funnel design need to be customized. And this is where most founders get stuck. You try to do it yourself, you spend thousands testing different campaigns, but the results are inconsistent. That's why, instead of guessing, you can just reach out to us directly on WhatsApp. We'll take a look at your SaaS, your goals, and show you exactly how to set up Instagram ads that bring real signups, not just clicks. So if you're ready to finally scale your SaaS with Instagram ads and stop wasting money on trial and error, click the WhatsApp link below and let's talk today. We'll help you set up the right strategy for fast results.